Binance Liquid Swap. What is Liquid Swap? Liquid Swap is a liquidity pool developed based on the AMM principle. The price of the crypto will be determined by the amount of cryptos in the liquidity pool. You can earn transaction fees and flexible interest by adding liquidity to the liquidity pool. You can also trade in the liquidity pool in exchange between digital assets, which include fiat-based stablecoins and other cryptocurrencies. Liquid Swap features low slippage and handling fees. To start using Liquid Swap, go to Binance.com and click on Finance Liquid Swap. You can also find the page by clicking Binance Earn High-Risk Products. Then you will see two types of products. Stable refers to the stablecoin liquidity pools, such as BUSD and DAI. Innovation refers to the liquidity pools made of volatile assets, such as AUD, ETH, and GBP. The asset prices in these pools are affected by the market exchange rate, which means that users' return will fluctuate more. How to earn on Liquid Swap? After adding assets to the liquidity pool, you will get a share. Here, you will see the reference yield for the trading pairs. Total yield is calculated based on all interest and trading fees paid on the previous day. When you move the mouse over the corresponding pairs, you will see the yield composition. All profits and losses in the liquidity pool are priced in USD. If you use Binance app, you can click on More to view more information. Please note, the innovation liquidity pools are subject to high volatility due to market exchange rates and total pool share. This may cause great fluctuations in your 24-hour share value. Although becoming a liquidity provider can be profitable, the impermanent loss is a key concept you need to understand before depositing funds into a liquidity pool. When a large amount of a single token is added or redeemed, the value of the share will be greatly affected. This may cause losses due to excessive slippage. Frequently adding or redeeming tokens will possibly cause financial losses. How does Liquid Swap work? 1. Add redeem liquidity. Let's now see how to add redeem liquidity. You can become liquidity providers by adding funds to the pool. Add. Click on Liquidity. Drop down to select the liquidity pool you want to add funds to. Let's choose BUSD DAI, for example. If you choose to add funds using this pair, the system will automatically convert your funds into two assets in the pool. In this case, you will have a certain proportion of BUSD and DAI. After reading and confirming the terms of use, click on Add. If you choose to add one asset, a confirmation window will pop up to remind you that you will have to pay a transaction fee, which will be deducted from the final amount. Click on Confirm to become a liquidity provider and enjoy the pool shares. Redeem. To withdraw funds from the pool, you have two choices. The first option is to redeem the two cryptos of the pair selected. The system will withdraw your funds to your spot wallet with zero fees. The second option is to redeem one of the cryptocurrencies individually. For example, if you choose Redeem BUSD, the system will convert DAI in the liquidity pool to BUSD first, and then withdraw all of the BUSD into your spot wallet. However, this process will incur handling fees. 2. Swap. Let's see how to trade assets with a single swap. Click on the Swap section. Select the asset you want to sell or buy. Your exchange price, handling fee, and slippage will be automatically calculated according to the amount of assets in the liquidity pool and the formula. Under My Shares, you can see the share details. Pool share composition is composed of two assets and will change in real time based on the current pool share. Last day yield includes the handling fee and interest that you received on the previous day. Impermanent losses and the interest generated on the same day are not included. Market-making P&L includes cost, trading fee income, interest income, and impermanent loss. Besides, you can also find your trade history details under Swap History. Liquid Swap, fast transaction, easy earnings.